Welcome back to another video. This is going to be how to edit the button element. So first, after making your section, row, and column, or whatever you're going to add it into, you can click the plus button here, and then on the left we can click on the button element. So once we click on that, the button is going to show up here in your column, and then all of the settings on the side are going to show up. So the top one, the text, this is what's going to display on the button. So click test. You can add whatever text you want here. You can say purchase now, and then you can link it to a purchase page or your shop page or something like that. You can change the letter case to all caps or lowercase or normal. The layout, the color here is primary, so we set these in the theme options, and there's another video talking about the colors in theme options. So the primary color right now is orange. The secondary is a lighter, very lighter color of orange. The alert is set in the back end as well, success, and then also white. And by default, alert and success are red and green, but they've been changed here. So you can set the color, and then once you like the color that you picked, you can choose the style. Right now, default is filled. If you choose outline, it's going to put an outline over the button. If we choose simple, it's just going to be the text. Underline, there's going to be an underline underneath of it. Shade, there's a little bit of a gradient. Bevel, there's a little bit of a bevel style on it. And then gloss, there's a glossy look to the button. So those are the different styles. You can change the size of the button. You can animate the button to fade in or bounce in. You can change any padding on the button. You can add a radius. You can add depth, which is shadows. You can expand it to full width of the column. You can also add an icon to it. So you can add like a clock icon. You can change it from right to left, and you can always change it so it goes away until you hover over it. And then the next very important thing, to actually link up the button, right here at the bottom there's a link section, and this is where you would enter the link address of wherever you're going to be linking it to. So I'm just going to type in https google.com, and then this target right here is going to choose where that link is going to be opening. So if you keep it to same window, whenever you click this button, it's going to just automatically load out and go to that page on this on the same tab that you're on right now. But if you choose it to new window, when you click on this button, it's going to open a new tab going to that website. So that way you'll have the current site open and the new website or the link that you've just opened open as well at the same time. So that's good for outgoing links from your website. So I'm going to hit update here, and if we go back to that page in the front end and test that button, I set it to go to google.com in a new tab, so when I click on it, it's going to bring me and open a new window right here. So that's how to edit the button and configure it. So let me know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.